Today's recipe is about how to make beetroot juice plus benefits. So the benefits of beetroots are: helps lower blood pressure, improves exercise stamina, may improve muscle power in people with heart failure, may slow the progression of dementia, helps you maintain a healthy weight, may prevent cancer, good source of potassium, good source of other minerals, support your liver. Now let's start the making of very refreshing and tasty recipe. Now for the ingredients, you need 4 beetroot, 1 ginger and 2 lemons. Now let's start cutting, but before that do not forget to wash the beetroots because they are dirty, and afterward when you're done washing them, cut into pieces. So as you can see that the beetroots are cut into the pieces. Now let's move to the cutting of the ginger. Cut into the pieces too. Now take 2 lemons and cut into half and put all the ingredients in one bowl. So here was the juicer I used. And here is the final result of our refreshing drink. Beetroot juice is ready. And that was it for our today's video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Double tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of the new updates from our channel. Allah Hafiz.